If you are looking for an AI tool that can generate stunning cinematic videos from just text or images, then you should definitely check out Seedance 2.5 by JXP. In this video, I will show you what makes Seedance 2.5 stand out, test its video quality, and walk you through the complete workflow step by step. If you like to try it yourself, you will find the official 2.5 link at the top of the description and in the pinned comments. Now let's get started. Now I am on my website. This will be the website. This is the landing page where you will find Seedance 2.5. There are also many other features right here. So now let's just try it out. So this is the text to video section, and this is the reference generation. First of all, let's just try reference generation, then we can move on to text to video. But for that, first we will need an image, so I will just simply click here. So now first of all we have to generate images, so we can also use the Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro from Seedance of itself. Now first of all we have to check in mind what we want to create, so I don't need to write prompts by my own. I will use ChatGPT to write prompts. So first of all let's just do that. So imagine a scene. So this is the prompt. I will just simply hit enter. From here we will copy the prompts. This is the prompt. Let me just copy it. I will move back to Nano Banana Pro and I will paste it right here. I will choose the format JPG and now I will choose 16 by 9. I will make the resolution to 1K, or you can also do 2K. 2K. So I will just simply hit generate image. So let's see, once the image is generated, we can just simply move to the video generation process. Now you can see our drop of water is created. There is a cinematic background beneath it, so I will just simply download it. Now we will back Now we will move back to Seedance 1 2.5 AI video generator, and here I will just click and I will go to download section and I will provide it one reference video, sorry, image. Now I will move back to ChatGPT and now I will guide it to write me a prompt to animate this like this. So let's just wait. So this is the prompt. I will just again copy it. I will move back here and the reference image is provided. I will just simply make the prompt right here, and from here you can see our model is selected, Seedance 2.5. From here I will choose the resolution. So for the cinematic video we have to go with a better resolution, so I will do this. And from here the duration we can go up to 30 seconds like this. So this is a plus I think. And now, but I will create it only for approximately 10 seconds because it is a small scene, or I can move to 15 seconds like this. So I will just simply hit on generate video. So you can see the video generation process has started. So let's see what it gives us and then I will just explain other things. Now here you can see our video is generated, so let me just play it and show you what is our final result. So let's just play it. So you can see this is falling. There is a cinematic background, sorry, blur behind it, and then you can see the reflections and the clarity of this, and you can see at the end it's finally falls like this. So this is how you can create this. Now moving forward, let's just try another one. So I will delete everything for now. Let's just move to chat gpt, and from here let me just create something of a character. So for example, so now I will just write a prompt of a man standing besides like this. So I will just copy this whole thing. I will move back to AI Nano Banana Pro, and here I will just simply make it like this. And as usual, I will go with 16 by 9 because it gives a wider angle. And now I will hit generate again. So let us see what it generates. You can see our image is generated. So let me just download this. I will move back here, and now first of all let's just upload our image and then I will move back to chat gpt. Now So this will be our prompt. So let's see, it has generated two response. So first of all, let's just use the first one like this. I will prefer this one and I will move back, and in here let's just paste the prompt. Moving forward, I will now make it to 10 seconds because I don't want the scene to be dragged. If you want your scene more lengthy and accurate, you have to apply a good prompt and a good story. So that's how. And now I will move to 720. The resolution will be this, and I will hit on generate video. So you can see the video is being generated. So let's see, once it is generated, I will just show you the final result. Now as you can see, our generation is ready. So let me just play. So you can see what we gave it a prompt, it generated perfectly as the man sits and watches fishes. So this is how you can do this. Now one thing left is the text to video. This is not that accurate. I will use the same prompt for it, and you can see everything will be same. The 50 credits will be used, and I will keep it to 60 um, so the main issue in this that we don't have a reference image, so we have less control over our animation. But if you don't have any ideas or any images, you can just try it. So I will just simply hit generate on this as well. So let it be generated, then I will show you the final result. Video is also generated, so let me just play and show you. So this is the one. I think that this result is better than the previous generation, the image we generated, and you can see the clarity and everything. So I think this one is also a perfect feature to use. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and try Seedance 2.5 on JXP.com's website. So I will provide link in the description and in the comment box as well. So bye.